Consumer behavior studies human actions, motivations, and choices in acquiring and using products and services. And I made an introduction to it. Next, we examined the consumer decision making process, a series of steps that people go through when evaluating their available options regarding certain products and services. Forward, we delved into consumer involvement, the measurement of personal engagement, interest, and significance that consumers attribute to brands and products. And today we are going deeper into this multidimensional science to discuss consumer perception and marketing strategy. Consumer perception is a dynamic process that goes beyond the mere reception of external and internal stimuli. It involves a mix of sensation, attention, and interpretation. As consumers navigate a world rich in marketing messages and communications, perception becomes the compass, guiding their decisions, preferences, and reactions. In simple terms, the way consumers perceive brands and products dictates how exactly they are going to react and respond to marketing stimuli. As we unravel the layers of consumer perception, we uncover its profound impact on marketing strategies, product design, and the interaction between brands and consumers. Now, I invite you to access the strategic guide entitled Consumer Perception and Marketing Strategy. Consumer perception is a huge topic and it's part of the overall consumer behavior science that is a multidimensional discipline that examines how consumers behave. And it's directly connected to marketing strategy. And that's extremely important for business owners because when you understand how consumers perceive brands and products, you can position your brand accordingly. So let me show you the guide. In this guide, I explore all the aspects of consumer perception. All these chapters. I give you the definition and role of perceptions. The process of perception, a mini diagram, the functions of selective perception, perceptual vigilance. I discuss perceptual defense, perceptual organization, that is divided into categorization and integration. Teaser campaigns, product reveals, memory and the memory system. I give you an experiment. There are examples of brands that successfully applied these concepts to their marketing. I discuss sensation in the absolute and differential threshold. Sensation, the absolute threshold, terminal or final threshold, the just noticeable difference, the Weber's law, applications of Weber's law, the cognitive threshold, subliminal advertising, and so much more. I give you examples, Weber's law applications, subliminal advertising, and I give you examples of brands. I discuss consumers' portray and imagery, self-image, perception and product positioning, product image. I give you examples and examples of brands. Perceptual mapping with examples and an infographic explaining the example above. And examples of brands that use perceptual mapping in their marketing. I discuss quality perception, the SERVQL model, service quality model. And I give you examples of brands as well. I discuss price quality ratio, product pricing and evaluation
relationship. Examples of brands. I discuss product packaging, image, how consumers perceive the packaging, the appearance of products. I give you examples of brands. I discuss product distribution, perception, with examples, customer service and support perception, again with examples. In every section and department there are examples of brands. I discuss store image, retail store images. I discuss web presence, advertisement perception, multimedia perception, and there are 5 video trailers as well with examples of brands. I discuss brand loyalty and advocacy perception, social responsibility and corporate citizenship perception, innovation and technology perception, competitive benchmarking, and perceived risk, with examples of brands. The importance of measuring consumer perception, customer satisfaction surveys, net promoter score, customer effect score, and other methods like in-depth interviews, focus groups, observational research, and so much more. Examples of brands. It's not about our brand. Another hidden meaning here. Practical implications and actionable steps, how to actually put theory into practice beyond these examples of brands. These are actionable and tangible marketing strategies that you can use right away. I give you statistics. I discuss future trends and considerations. And there is a conclusion, crafting brilliance in consumer minds. And there is a mini challenge, the Consumer Perception Mastery Challenge for small business owners. And when you complete the challenge, a surprise awaits you. So, this is the strategic guide, Consumer Perception and Marketing Strategy.
So join me in this fascinating journey to level up your marketing game and gain a huge competitive advantage.